Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable the discount code on an already discounted product. Open the Savify Discounts app. Click the Create Discount button. Select Regular Discount instead of Tier Discount. You can choose from 3 discount types: Order Discount, Product Discount, or Shipping Discount. In this tutorial, we'll use the Product Discount types. You can apply discounts to these 3 types in a single discount rule if you want. Here, under Discount on Selected Items section, we can set the discount for all products, or apply it to selected products only. If you select the selected products only, you can select the specific items by products, tags, collections, vendors, or SKU. Also here, you can choose to include or exclude items by products, tags, collections, vendors, or SKU. For this video, we select the collection that already has a discount, like On Sale Collection, and then choose Exclude Discount. This means discount will apply to all collections except the On Sale collection. Now you'll need to give your discount a name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set your discount code. You can either create one manually or you can click on the Generate option. You can also choose Automatic Discount. If you select this option, make sure to enter a discount message in the blank box. For this video, we will select the discount code method. Let's make the discount code as 20% discount. Then, we will set the discount value for product discount. We can choose either percentage or fixed amount. We will keep the percentage for discount type and put 20% for product discount. Next, we have rules and conditions. By default, it is set to Always, which means this discount will always be active at checkout. In the Maximum Discount Uses section, you can set how many times the discount can be used in total, and also you can set that each customer can use it only once. In the Combination section, you can allow this discount to be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts, so customers can use multiple offers at the same time in a single order. To make this tutorial simple, we will keep the all default option as they are. Now let's click on the Save button to create this discount rule. That's it, your discount is live now. Let's go to the checkout page, apply the code and test it out. As expected, we can see that a 20% discount has been applied to the remaining products, but no discount has been applied to the sale collection products. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!